2 trains coming. The sun just went down about 10 minutes ago. It must be minus 30 out here almost. So cold I can't really see or feel anything. I think it's a Via Rail. Damn it. It's hard to do anything in the cold. My fingers are gonna fall off. It's coming to a stop. Maybe it's frozen. Taking pictures and the automatic focus is off because I always take pictures on manual everything mode, but when the sun goes down and there's trains and you're filming at the same time, it's hard to do everything at once, so you just switch to auto, but the lens was on manual. Shit. It's so freaking cold. I'm wearing gloves and my fingers are freezing in the gloves. That's how freaking cold it is. It's unbelievable. About 4 feet of snow, that's all.